Elevator repair sales are everywhere. Thousands of dollars in sales opportunities are seen each week per mechanic, but most are ignored, and you miss out on a lot of sales. With ElevatorZip, mechanics become part of your sales team. They quickly create leads and see activity at each building, including the commission they can earn. So now, a customer visit is a chance to help you close a sale. Mechanics are notified when leads are proposed and sold, which is a prompt to find even more leads. In the office, you get images and details to help you sell. And ElevatorZip is ready out of the box, so you can increase repair sales today.